Okay, we're at DFW. I'm going to show you some of this right here. Dallas Fort Worth, Texas guitar right there. So got a couple hours to kill, so I'll show you right there. Armadillo right there. Little piggy bank, that's an armadillo. Some cowboy boots and howdy partner. Easy with that gun there. Stockyard. Right, moving on. TGI Fridays. There you are. And this is Ling and Louie's Asian Bar and Grill. We got to go to B Gate. So, all right, let's do this. Dunkin' Donuts. And we're going to be taking the Sky. Not for boring people. Just that. We got to go to B. The B, so we'll be taking this up right here. All right. Looks like some clouds out there. B gates. That's where we're going. B gates. This thing's a lot of fun too. I was gonna try to walk it, but look at this clock right here. And a bird. Look at that. Pretty cool. Over here for all weed and weekdays and the Grand Hyatt. All right. We're going to take our little sky train here. Please do not lock the doors. Please hold on. This train is departing. Look at that guy right there. Freaking awesome. Modelo. Cantina Laredo. This is the menu. And definitely some tacos going to be going on here. So we'll see.